Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this video to show you, this is my January kit. And yeah, and yeah, then we have two different for the this one I made for my friend. I use the kit. And yeah, before I start to show you the notebook, I have to credit to Bona. Yeah, this is, I follow Bona Live Love Scrap. Yeah, her tutorial to make this travel book. So yeah, thank you so much Bona for your tutorial. And yeah, this one this one is the complete kit that I really made. If you are interested, please stop by to my Facebook page group. Yeah, it's the Inspire monthly kit group. Yeah, for to purchase, or you can send me an email, or send me an email, or just private message me on Facebook. Okay, and yeah, show you. Yeah, for the kit you will receive two set of this. You can make two set of this travel book. Okay, this one I make for my friend. Use the kit for the kit, everything. Yeah, the laminate cover and all the images and the perfume bottle and all these dangle. And you can see I make this one with the perfume bottle with the laminate perfume bottle and the keychain and the purse and the this is the heart lock, the key. So everything is matched with the color. So like so. And yeah, Bona, her tutorial is very easy to follow. I just love her, all her travel books with this in different sizes. And this is the size is I don't know how to call this size. This is the 7 inches. Yeah, for the length. Okay, and yeah, I include all the insert inside and the cover and the paper and the tag and the pin. This one I match with the rose gold, so it's so much fun to create this one. And for this kit, I also will include this kind of the calendar. So you can see I use this sticker calendar. Here's the January, February, so I haven't glued all around. Okay, and I also make this tag. Tomorrow is and also laminate both sides, and I also include this pin. And this one is actually a sticker. Also include this in the kit, but I just glue here. You can see this is, you can use it as a sticker. Also you can use it to create your pin. So like so. And this is another perfume bottle, and this one the pen also match with matching color, and this one also. And this is the, you can see so cute, the mug, coffee mug pen. This one upside down but I already sew, just anyway, just put like so. And love book, and also have one more pin, but this because of I already run out, is the love letter envelope, also in the rose gold color. And this pin also in the rose gold. Yeah, this is the sticker that I mentioned. So yeah, and also provide this one of these plastic zip bag. This you can put your money or whatever. Yeah, so it would not drop out. And this little girl here. So this is the page, like so. and this is the pink, gray and black theme. Okay, yeah, this is the yeah, I guess inspired by so many gorgeous lady on YouTube and also Pinterest, and this is my first ever attempt to make this kind of the project, and also inspired by Timika. Yeah, she also made a lot of the travel notebook in different pattern and sizes. Yes, this one, this is so cute. Okay, this is one of these. So, and this one is another one in the lavender color, and you've got so many different of the bronze trinket embellishment to create this charm, and beads also love. And this is the postcard and the camera and the tassel. If you doesn't like to mean too heavy, you can use all this embellishment for your others project. So this one and this I print also laminate this. Okay, so, and this is my bookmark, also include in the kit. You can use this one. It's the lace bookmark. Okay, open up. This is lavender and gray. Yeah, this is my lace bookmark, and so, and also include this pin with the tiny envelope trinket, and this one, the pen also matching color, and all this also include in the kit. So cute. And yeah, I make another one. Yeah, actually is for the kit it's only got 2 pin. One is very long, a big size one, but because of I run out, so I use the short. And all this in the kit. Yeah, and this is the color, very pretty color. And yeah, for the kit you will receive 2 of these side for you to make 2 notebook. Okay, and also yeah, this kit also provide this calendar in this one, and this you can write the year. So yeah, and I make this one for the friend birthday, and I also make a box to put this, but the kit not provide the box, only for the notebook. Okay, so yeah, this is how I make for a friend for birthday. So it's so pretty. And this one I haven't made the box, but yeah, this one is too small, and I will make a bigger size box to match with this. Oh, okay, this is the January kit. So yeah, if you are interested, please private message to me on Facebook or email to me. So yeah, because this still have available. Okay, and yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel and subscribes. And if you like, then please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again, and bye bye.